welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I definitely have this makeup look right here for you. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Okay, you might be wondering my voiceover and my actual lip sync doesn't match, and it's because when I was filming the video, I didn't know why on planet Earth I did not turn on the mic, so it did not record any single thing I said on camera, which was annoying, and I did not realize it until I started doing my editing. So I really like the way the footage came out though, so I just wanted to keep the footage and to do voiceover instead. We are all humans, we all have mistakes. I hope you guys will be okay with my voiceover and me talking behind the camera instead of talking in the camera. I know sometimes it's kind of intriguing, but we can probably go past that. Okay, so this video is the first video on my Vogue and WOOPSIE series, and I am going to talk about a very bougie product today. So this product is by La Mer. It's the soft fluid foundation on with SPF 50 and not 50, my bad, the SPF 20, and this product is ridiculously expensive. It's $140 in Canadian. Someone shoot me on my head. Finally, I did bite the bullet and got this product. This was ridiculously expensive, but I got this on the VIB sale this year. It's just because I wanted to give it a shot because I had a sample last year. I really loved that, and ever since then I really wanted to try the whole bottle and wear it for the whole freaking day. So I went ahead and bought this bottle for myself, and if you are willing to splurge on yourself, hope this review does help you. So obviously I will be doing a full day wear test. I will do check-ins throughout the video so you will know what the hell is going on, and also I'll be showing you the application process. So let's get started. So first off, I will be priming my face, and to prime I'm actually going to take my moisturizer first. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury the Magic Cream, and I like it so far. It's not really bad. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing. It does everything I need to do it for me, especially in a day cream, so I have been enjoying this product. So next I'll be priming using the original Skin with Willow Herb, and this is such a cooling product. This really cools down my face and my pores are shrinked, and it's really beautiful. I have been using this primer from past months. I really enjoy this. So place this all over you want, and next I'm actually going to take my Urban Decay Velvetizer, and that powder is going straight on my nose because I want to try the new technique by Wayne Goss. I saw today on his video that he actually uses this technique so your nose and the foundation of your nose doesn't move in the entire day. So he sets it with a powder first after the primer, and then he takes the eye primer. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion today, and then he puts it on the nose and then blends it using his fingertip. So I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just meshing the product on my nose using my finger, and then I will be taking that loose powder, that Urban Decay Velvetizer again, and I'm just setting that primer. So I will put my foundation right on top, and I'm using the shade Honey 43 if I'm not wrong. So I'm just using 2 pumps, and I'm going to apply that foundation using a buffing brush, and the brush is by BH Cosmetics. Haha, what a joke. I'm using like a $11 brush set with a $140 foundation. I didn't even realize it until I was doing the voiceover, and this is fucking funny. Like seriously, I find it really funny. Whatever. So buff the foundation out using your favorite brush or beauty blender or whatever product you like. I like to use a brush because beauty blender tends to soak up most of the product, and obviously this is an expensive foundation. I didn't want to waste it. So now I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and the shade is Medium Warm or Warm Medium, something like that. So I'm just using that on the highest points of my face and on my under eye. So you guys already know how I do all that stuff. You guys have seen me doing it a million times. And guess what? I really like this concealer too. I have been using it from past 2-3 weeks, and I really enjoy this. Like, I was not able to put it down ever since. and I enjoy this a lot. It really works good, and it is budge proof. It doesn't move, it doesn't do anything wrong to your under eye, and I think it's just perfect. So I'm just blending that concealer in using my dampened beauty blender, as you can see, and then I'm using the Velvetizer again to set my face and my under eye all over the place. I'm just using a dome brush for my under eye first, and this is by Morphe. I forgot the number, I'm sorry about that. And now I'm taking a BH fluffy brush, and I'm just using that to stamp that powder on all over my face, just to set my face. So I'll be finishing up the rest of the makeup, and I will be right back. So this is how my entire face looks like after the makeup. Yes, the eye makeup tutorial is gonna be coming in a different video, and that's simply because I didn't want this video to be as long. So I'm actually using some highlighter just to have some fun. So for that, I have something brand new, and this is what I am talking about. I have two of the shades here. I think there is two more or probably one more, I don't remember, but I have the two shades. I have Rose Mantic and I have Goldie Rose. So today I'm actually going to try the shade Goldie Rose, and the packaging, can we talk about it? First off, I'm not a big packaging whore, like, let's get it out there. But when it comes down to this, how can you not like it? Like, how? I don't really know. It's beautiful. Like, oh, I still have to take this out, but this is how this guy looks like. The embossed rose in it, and I'm like, sign me up for it. I really don't want to ruin this. I don't want to, but I still am going to. So I'm just lightly running my finger all over, ruining the pan. And this is what I have. Do we see? What the hell is it? Oh my god. Let's put that on my cheeks. I cannot wait. So I'm using the Anastasia A23 brush. I am... oh my goodness, I love this. I am loving the way this is looking at the moment. I'm like, sign me up. I don't know how to say her name. Vlada? I don't know if I'm saying this right or wrong, but whatever it is, she's a working makeup artist and she is freaking genius. Her makeup look and all that stuff is beautiful. So I am really happy for this collaboration. Congratulations, girl. And I'm actually going to link her Instagram on the description box below as well, because I don't know if she has a YouTube, but I do follow her on Instagram and she is fucking beautiful. Her work is amazing. So I'm just going to put on my nose, on my lips right here. So here I go far back away, and I think this looks sickening, the entire thing. Holy shit, this looks beautiful. I'm loving this. I'm like, I can't stop. It's so beautiful. Holy shit. I'm like, I wasn't even into highlight when it started. Trust me, I was not into highlight at all. But now I'm like, hello, sign me up. I can't stop. So I'm actually going to try on the the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection. I haven't used this yet, so let's give it a go. So the good thing in this video is we're actually getting 3 first impressions, just not 1. So smells like the typical Urban Decay sprays. That's how they smell like. I don't feel anything different on this. So, okay. For the eye makeup, I am using another amazing product, and it's really hyped. So don't forget to come back on the next video, because I'll be talking about this eyes. It's again because I really wanted to keep it different. So I'll be sitting down and filming my check-ins and insert them all in between. So I will see you in a little bit. For my foundation, and this is my first check-in. I'm actually waiting on my food at the movie, so yeah, that's what's happening. I'm just filming with my phone camera because my camera is actually in my car, so yeah, that's where we're, and it's going strong so far. I don't mind it. So see you in a little bit again. Okay, so now I'm heading home. So yeah, the movie was good, not too bad. Yeah, I will go home and then sit down and do my final check-in. See you then. So yeah, I'm really tired. I can't even talk at the moment, but yeah, I am actually gonna sign off. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll be more than happy if you take a minute to subscribe to my channel and leave me a little comment down below. Hello, so again I'm taking over as a voiceover. This time it's because I was extremely tired and I completely forgot to even mention why this video was, like how the product was and all that stuff. So let's talk about the product. First of all, I love this foundation. There is no second opinion needed on this because this is a beautiful foundation. It wore over 12 hours and I didn't have to touch up a single time. So you know, that's all I need from foundation, to be honest. And I really love the coverage, I love the finish and all that stuff, and you can see my skin still looks fresh even after 12 hours with zero touch up. So I give this video up, I mean not this video, I give this product a big thumbs up because it is amazing. If you have the cash to splurge on a product like this, by all means go ahead and buy this. But if you don't have the money, or like you're in a budget, please don't even feel the necessity of going in and buying this. Like, this is not a must-have product or anything like that. But again, it's a splurge-worthy item. If you have the money to splurge on yourself, by all means go ahead and love yourself a little bit. Sometimes it's not a problem. I mean, not for me at least. But yeah, so again, will I repurchase this product? I don't know yet, depending on the money I have later on, obviously. But if I have the money, I would definitely go and repurchase when I am out of this bottle. But again, because this is really expensive, definitely I'm not going to wear it every day. So this is a wow product from me at least. If you love this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section below, how do you like this product? I'm not the product, how do you like the video? Okay, I'm gonna leave right now because my babies are calling me and I'm extremely tired. So I will see you guys in my next video. So for now, bye.